Here are 20 promising business ideas for 2025, considering technological advancements, changing consumer needs, and global trends, and mostly, if you like any one business idea, please subscribe this channel. First, technology and innovation. 1. AI-driven personal assistants. Develop personalized virtual assistants powered by AI to manage daily tasks, schedules, and even emotional support. 2. AR, VR-based learning platforms. Create immersive educational experiences using augmented and virtual reality for schools and professional training. 3. Autonomous delivery solutions. Invest in autonomous drones or robots for last-mile delivery services. 4. Cybersecurity. Services for SMS to offer affordable cybersecurity solutions tailored to small and medium-sized enterprises. 5. Quantum computing software development. Develop software applications optimized for quantum computing platforms. 2. Sustainability and green solutions. 6. Carbon capture and storage solutions. Provide technologies or services for carbon emission reduction and storage. 7. Vertical farming as a service. Create indoor vertical farms offering fresh produce directly to urban consumers. 8. Sustainable packaging solutions. Develop eco-friendly, biodegradable, or reusable packaging materials. 9. Renewable energy consulting. Offers services to help companies transition to solar, wind, or other renewable energy sources. 10. Plastic waste recycling innovations. Build systems to transform plastic waste into reusable materials. 3. Health and wellness. 11. Personalized healthcare apps. Create apps that offer tailored health advice based on genetics, lifestyle, and preferences. 12. Mental health tech. Develop tools, apps, or platforms focused on mental health therapy and support. 13. Telemedicine for specialized care. Provide online consultations for niche medical needs like dermatology, oncology, or pediatrics. 14. Wearable health monitoring devices. Create advanced wearables that track vitals, chronic conditions, or fitness progress. 15. Biodegradable medical devices. Manufacture single-use medical devices with a focus on sustainability. 4th. Consumer-centric. 16. AI-powered content creation. Start a platform that uses AI to generate marketing materials, videos, and graphics. 17. Personalized subscription boxes. Curate products based on customers' specific preferences and deliver them regularly. 18. Smart home integration services. Help homeowners integrate and optimize smart home devices for efficiency. 19. Pet tech innovations. Build smart devices for pets, like fitness trackers or automated feeders. 20. Luxury experiences on demand. Offer unique, high-end experiences tailored for affluent customers, such as private travel or gourmet events. These ideas can be adapted to local markets, emerging technologies, and cultural trends for maximum impact. Let me know if you'd like more details on any of these.